Hey guys, received a package in the mail. Came from Polaris. They've been sending out a recall for battery cover. Haven't unboxed it yet. Did cut the tape, and I was like, well, might as well make a video. Tells you the instructions here, it looks like on top, and then it must be the battery cover. So we're going to pull the driver's side seat, back seat that is. Mine's a 4-seater. Pull the seat, and then it looks like we're going to take the Torx 40 nut out, take the battery cover off, and then this will work as a battery cover and a shield to keep from grounding those terminals out. So I have a 2024 Razor, Polaris Razor 1000 XP Ultima. It's nothing to me special. It is a good little ride, but I'll pause you, get you turned around. I'm going to use a DeWalt with a Torx bit on the end of it. So pause you here, get you turned around, then we'll switch this out real quick. All right, it says we're going to pull the seat out. I'm sure everybody knows, seat belt all the way. Pull this lever forward and lift it up out of there. Slide it out of our way. Get our Torx bit right on top of the battery here. I don't know if you can see this. A little light on it, but that's where the Torx is. We'll back that out. That comes up out of the way. According to our instructions, when I read that, we won't be needing the metal hold down any longer. This will serve as that purpose. It also said on there that you could take this to your local dealer and get it installed, but don't really do too much of that. So I had, I would say, interesting luck out of this thing. Shortly after the warranty went out, the brake switch went out, brake pressure switch. So of course they wouldn't, for $31,000, they wouldn't even, I'm sorry, it wasn't 31, it's 27,000. Wouldn't even bring it back in and look at it to try to help with that switch. Kind of let down with that. This thing didn't have 300 miles on it. It's never been rolled. Well, I mean, 300 miles, there you go. So anyway, back to this. That's how simple putting that cover is. There's a hole in the right-hand side, which is the rear end side in the channel. Put the lip in there, bring it down, fasten it down, put your Torx back. We'll reinstall our seat. Sometimes with these, they're fairly simple. Sometimes they're in the butt. I'll find for me, I'll lip in there, then I'll squat down and try to fall. Either way, we got it out of the way there. So hope this video helps. And if you wouldn't mind, please subscribe, like the video. Trying to get better at this stuff. It's hard for me to always describe what I'm doing, but we are getting better with it. So once again, thanks, and please sub and comment.